Hi, hello, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced, chapter number 18. We will learn Transform, Free Transform tool and Puppet Warp tool. Start from Illustrator. We can draw some cartoon or scale this cartoon, rotate this cartoon. Your object can be rotated. Your object can be scale, and destroy the object, distort the object by using the free transform tool. Okay, and the next is pop-up warm tool. We can animated your animated your cartoon character is like that, the scratch, transform and rotate your object using the point. Okay, we will learn using the practically like that. I will draw this cartoon again for you. Just go to your rectangle. This is the rectangle. Okay, with the help of free transform tool, you can scratch your transform like that, animated type. You can scratch your object like that, and respective free transform tool, you can freely increase decrease the size of your rotate also, it is possible. Okay, and the third one is the free distort like that. Freely you can increase the size of one angle to another angle like that, or you can also rotate with the use of this free angle like that. This is the point. I want to rotate this object from one angle to another angle like that. Free transfer like that. Okay, so this is the tool used for free transform tool. With the help of free transform tool, you can reshape your object, rotate your object, and perspective destroy like that. Okay, so next I will explain with the help of some design one. I want to design one cartoon. This is the cartoon design. This tool is mainly used for design a cartoon design, animated type of design we can use like that. Want to make one circle, one another rectangle like that. This is the rectangle. Okay, another rectangle for leg. Okay, with the help of this transform tool, perspective tool, we can like that. This also, first select the object, go to free transform tool like that. Okay, now one more thing is there. Zoom out. I want to scale this both like that. Okay, you can simply click this anchor point to curve the shape. Okay, I want this also like that, but only one side. Here I want curve shape. Click here, only one. Click here, curve shape like that. Okay, now with the help of pop-up warp tool, we can just a minute, select first object and go to pop-up warp tool. You can, this is the pop-up warp tool. With the help of here I can make one pop-up, multiple pop-up you can make by using this. Okay, or delete it. we can rotate this pop-up with the help of this, like that. I want to like that. Okay, we can scale down, up, down, left, right, or we can make another pop-up with the help of like that. Okay, like that. Okay, second leg, select first object, go to pop-up warp tool. Here I want multiple, you can design. I want this like that or like that, I think. Here I want to make, go to here also, like that. Okay, another one, just alt copy, like that. This also alt scratch up and pop-up warm tool with the help of like that. Okay, we can, here we can make one color also, like that, so that you can see the cartoon faces. Here also I can use pop-up warp tool so that this circle will be like that, or here I want pop-up like that. With the help of pop-up, we can make one attractive design like that. We can control alt key and multiple copy we can draw. Like that. I don't want this. Now we can make some attractive design with the help of pop-up. Like here also I want, here also I want, here also I want pop-up we can draw. Here we can make some, here I want animated type we can drawing. With the help of pop-up we can make a animated cartoon. With the frame of this multiple images we can create some animated video also. Okay, so with the help of this tool, free transfer tool and pop-up warp tool, we can draw a cartoon, multiple cartoon character, and make some frame and make a attractive video for the kids also. So thank you.